Good morning, children. Let's continue with exercise 5.2, question number 12. Two APs have the same common difference. The difference between their 100th term is 100. What is the difference between their 1000th term? Once again, two APs have the same common difference. That means, let's divide it into two parts. For the first AP, let the first term be A and the common difference, let's call it as D. For the second AP, let the first term be B and the common difference is same, so we can call it as D. And now, if the first term is A and the common difference is D, what will be the AP? The AP will be A plus D, A plus 2D, etc. The AP in this case will be A plus D, A plus 2D, etc. Whereas the general form of the AP here will be B plus D, B plus 2D, etc. Now in the question, the difference between their 100th term is 100. So let's find out the 100th term of the first AP. A100 is equal to A plus 99D. So the 100th term is A plus 99D. What is the 100th form of 100th term of the second AP? B100 is equal to B plus 99D. The difference between the 100th term. That means A100 minus B100 is given as 100 as per the question. Let us substitute A plus 99D minus B plus 99D is equal to 100. That is A plus 99D minus B minus 99D is equal to 100, or the value of A minus B is 100. Now they are asking you to find out the difference between the 1000th term. So difference between the 1000th term is equal to A1000 minus B1000, which can be written as A plus 999D minus B plus 999D, which is equal to A plus 999D minus B minus 999D, or that also is the value of A minus B. What is the value of A minus B? We have defined it as 100. So, since the common difference is same, any difference of the terms will give you the answer of A minus B. That is, in this question, the value of A minus B is 100. Therefore, the difference of 1000th term is 100. The difference of 90th term is 100. Any term, the difference, the answer will be 100. Number 13. Question number 13. Mark it as an important question. How many 3 digits are divisible by 7? How many 3 digits are divisible by 7? Underline the word how many. How many is asking you a number. So, how many numbers are there in the 3-digit value so that it is divisible by 7? The 3-digit numbers are starting from 100, 101, etc. up to 999. As per the question, we have to find out the first 3-digit number divisible by 7 and the last 3-digit number divisible by 7. So, 100 divided by 7, we know it is not divisible. Let's start with 101. 7 ones are 7, 31. It is not divisible. 102 divided by 7. 7 ones are 7, 32. Again, it is not divisible. So, if you follow the pattern, if you check with 102, 7 ones are 7, 32. You can 103. It will be 33. Till here when you go, you can see here, when it reaches 105, 7 5s are 35 and so it will be divisible. So I will teach you the easy method. From the first number itself, 7 ones are 7, 3 and now the number which will be brought here should be divisible. The total number should be divisible with 7. Tell the table of 7 and get the number starting with or in the tens place as 3. That is 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28, 7 fives are 35. So definitely this is the easy method. Otherwise you can go ahead by dividing till you get the remainder as 0. So the first number is 105 plus 7 is 112, etc. Similarly, we have to find out the last number divisible by 7. 999 divided by 7. 7 ones are 7, 29. 7 fours are 28, 19. It is 7 twos are 14 and so the remainder is 5. The next number you check is 998. Again, it will not be divisible. 7 ones are 7, 29, 7 fours are 28, 18. Now you got an idea that the same method as tell the table of 7 and get the number with the tens place as 1. That is 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14. So when it is 994, it will be divisible with 7. 7 ones are 7, 7 fours are 28, you can see 7 twos are 14. If you forget this method, carry on with the normal long division. 994. So the first term is 105, D is 7, AN is 994. The last term or AN is 994. By formula, AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. 994 is equal to 105 plus N minus 1 into 7. 994 minus 105 is equal to N minus 1 into 7. 889 is equal to N minus 1 into 7. N minus 1 is equal to 889 by 7. 7 ones are 7. 7 twos are 14. 127 or the value of N is 128. That is, there are 128 numbers which are 3-digit numbers divisible by 7. It's a very important question. Question number 14. How many multiples of 4 lie between 10 and 20? How many multiples of 4 between 10 and 20? How many multiples of 4? The first number which is a multiple of 4 after 10 is 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12. Then 12 plus 4, 16, etc. We need to find out what is the number divisible by 4. Since the word between is given to you, don't check with 250. The number which is just before 250 is 249 divided by 4. 6 fours are 24, 0. Now see, when the units digit is 9 here. Tell the table of 4 and see what is the number. In the table of 4 is 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. That means the last number will be 248. So the AP is 12, 16, etc. 248. A is equal to 12, D is equal to 4, AN is equal to 248. AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. 248 is equal to 12 plus n minus 1 into 4. 248 minus 12 is equal to n minus 1 into 4. 236 is equal to n minus 1 into 4. 236 by 4 is n minus 1. 4, 6 fours are 24, that means 5 fours are 20 and 59. N minus 1 is equal to 59 or n is equal to 60. That is, there are 60 numbers which are multiples of 4. Which are multiples of 4 between 10 and 250. Now, the next question, question number 15. Number 15. For what value of n, the nth terms of, there are two APs given here. 63, 65, 67 is the first AP. 3, 10, 17, etc. is the second AP are equal. That means there are two APs given here. In the question it says that the nth term of these two APs are equal, and which is that value of n, or in which position is that the terms will be equal in both the APs. Let's divide into two parts. First AP, the second progression, 63, 65, 67, etc. And the second progression is 3, 10, 17. 3, 10, 17, etc. What is the first term here? 63. Common difference is 65 minus 63, which is equal to 2. And find out what is the nth term. It will be a general answer because you have to find out the nth term. N is an unknown value. Leave it as n. An is equal to, formula is a plus n minus 1 into d. 63 plus n minus 1 into 2. 63 plus 2n minus 2. 63 minus 2 is 61 plus 2n. That is, the nth term of the first progression is 61 plus 2n. Find out the nth term of the second AP. A is equal to 3, D is equal to 7, An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D, which is equal to 3 plus n minus 1 into 7, 3 plus 7n minus 7. 3 minus 7 is negative 4, or minus 4 plus 7n. It is said that the nth terms are equal. So what will you do? Equate both the answers. 61 plus 2n is equal to minus 4 plus 7n. 65 is equal to 7n minus 2n is 5n. N is equal to 13. That means if you find A13 of the first AP and A13 of the second AP, the answers will be the same. That is, the 13th terms are equal. Let us double check. What is A13 of the first AP? A plus 12D, which is equal to 63 plus 12 into 2. 63 plus 24, it is 87. Let's check the A13 of the second term. It is A plus 2, second AP is equal to 3 plus 12 into 7. 3 plus 7 2s are 14, 84 or 87. You see, even though they are different APs with a different first term and different common difference, the 13th term of the both the APs will be 87. That is, they are same. That's the meaning of the question. It's a very important 3-mark question. Question number 16. Determine the AP whose third term is 16 and the 7th term exceeds the 5th term by 12. Determine the AP whose third term is 16. Third term is 16, and what's the second condition? The 7th term exceeds the 5th term by 12. The 7th term exceeds the fifth term by 12. That is the meaning. That is how you will convert. Find the AP whose third term is 16 and the seventh term exceeds the fifth term by 12. What's the meaning of A3 is equal to 16? A plus 2D is equal to 16. Mark it as equation number 1. How do you change this? A plus 6D is equal to A plus 4D plus 12. A can be cancelled from both sides. That is 6D minus 4D is equal to 12. 2D is equal to 12 or D is equal to 6. If you substitute the value of D in the first equation, A plus 2 into 6 is equal to 16. A plus 12 is equal to 16 or A is equal to 16 minus 12 which is equal to 4. Now determine the AP. Therefore the AP, what's the general formula? A plus D, A plus 2D, etc. So what will be the AP here? First term is 4, second term is 4 plus 6, the next term is 4 plus 2 into 6 and so on. That is 4, 10, 12 plus 4, 16, etc. The AP is 4, 10, 16, etc. Question number 17, mark it as a very important 2-mark question. Find the 20th term from the last term of the AP. Underline the word last term of the AP 3, 8, 13, etc. The last term is 253. The question is, find the 20th term from the last term. That means here the last term is 253. From the last term, which is the number in the 20th position. So, when you take the last term as A, what will be the common difference? The common difference will be 3 minus 8, which is equal to minus 5. If you take 3 as the first term, the common difference is 8 minus 3, 5, positive 5. Whereas, if you take A as 253 from the last term, the common difference will be 3 minus 8 because it should be an answer below 253. It cannot be an answer above 253. And then you can calculate A20 as A plus 19D. Automatically, since D is negative, the number will be smaller than 253. So, it is 253 plus 19 into minus 5. 253 minus 9 5s are 45, 95, 253 minus 95, 8, 4, 9 to get 14 is 10, 5, 158. This is the question, but only thing, very easy question, but only thing, instead of 8 minus 3, 5, you should take it as 3 minus 8, negative 5. It's an important 2-mark question. Question number 18, 19 and 20 all are very easy. You can try on your own and then refer the video for the answers. The sum of the 4th and 8th terms of an AP is 24. Sum of 4th and 8th terms of an AP. 4th and 8th term is 24. How do you convert it? A plus 3D plus A plus 7D is equal to 24. A plus A is 2A plus 10D is equal to 24. You can reduce with the 2 as A plus 5D is equal to 12. Mark it as equation number 1. What's the second equation? And the sum of 6th and 10th term is 44. 6th and 10th term. A6 plus A10 is equal to 44. A plus 5D, A plus 9D is equal to 44. 2A plus 14D is equal to 44. Again reduce it as A plus 7D is equal to 22. Solving, A plus 5D is equal to 12. A plus 7D is equal to 22. You can change the sign. minus 2d is equal to minus 10, or the value of d is 5. What's the value of a? A plus 5 into 5 is equal to 12. A plus 25 is equal to 12. A is equal to 12 minus 25, which is equal to minus 13. The question is find the first three terms. So the first term A is minus 13. Second term A2 is A plus D, which is equal to minus 13 plus 5, which is equal to minus 8. And A3 is equal to minus 8 plus 5, which is equal to minus 3. So these are the first three terms of the AP. Number 19. Subbarao started work in 1995 at an annual salary of rupees 5,000. That means the first term is given as rupees 5,000 and an annual increment of rupees 200 each year, means that is D is given as 200. And in which year his income will reach 7,000. That means AN is given as 7,000 rupees. You have to suppose to find out which year means N value. AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. 7,000 is equal to 5,000 plus N minus 1 into 200. 7,000 minus 5,000 is equal to N minus 1 into 200. That is 2,000 is equal to N minus 1 into 200. 2,000 by 200 is equal to N minus 1, or N is equal to 11. That is, in the 11th year, his salary will be rupees 7,000. N is equal to 11. Similar question, next one. Ramkali saved rupees 5 in the first week of a year and then increased her weekly savings by rupees 1.75. So the value of A is rupees 5 and D value is, again she started increasing with 1.75. If in the nth week her savings is rupees 20.75, that means if AN is 20.75, if in the nth week her weekly savings become rupees 20.75, find N. That means you have to just find out what is the value of N. AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. 20.75 is equal to 5 plus N minus 1 into 1.75. 20.75 minus 5.00 is equal to N minus 1 into 1.75. N minus 1 into 1.75. N minus 1 is equal to 15.75 by 1.75. Equal number of decimal places. So 1575 by 175. You can check with 5. 5 3s are 15. 5 1s are 5 by 175. 5 3s are 15. Then 25 by 35. Again with 5. 6 5s are 30. 63. 7 or 9. This completes exercise 5.2. The next exercise is based on the sum of first 10 terms of an AP. We will do it in the next class.